Yes, on this video I'm going to be showing you how to edit picture, how to change somebody's picture's head, then you put it in another head. Okay, please watch this video carefully for you to understand what I'm doing. Okay, right about now I want to make tutorial on this particular video. This is a video, you can see it. So I just want to grip it as image. Okay, so this image, I just grip it as image. Then after that, just for me to save the image instant. So I will just screenshot the image from my system. Okay, good. We just screenshot it, then copy it, take it to Photoshop, then take it to Photoshop, we paste it there. Then what I'll do first, I will have to remove the background. Don't forget, we are going to take the picture to this place. This very picture is going to be among those people working in oil ring company. Okay, let us go back. You can see it. Okay, now we are going to trace the background. I'm going to remove the head. This is what we call surgery. I'm going to cut off the head. Okay, cutting off the head to place it in another head. So if you need any editing, you can as well contact me. I'm ready to give you any kind of editing for educational purpose and for legit purpose. So now we are done trimming the head. All we need to do is just for us to cut only the head. You can see we just cut the head, then take it to the oil ring. Okay, now we are going to use it here. So which one are we going to position the head? Okay, I think we have 5 in numbers here. We are going to make use of one. Okay, we paste the head. This is the head. So let's see, can we use the head? Or okay, let's use the middle. Okay, since it's the only mount focusing on, let us use this, so please watch carefully for you to understand. Okay, so watch carefully for you to understand. Okay, so just be watching it. Please watch it. Okay, I'm going to blend it now. Okay, good. So the cap, just watch please, we are going to do the magic. Okay, I'm going to do the magic. Okay, wow. Okay, you can see it, the magic has been done. Okay, it's very easy, very easy. So let's go and work on the image edge, which is the edge. To work on the edge. To work on the edge. You can see it. So it is very, very easy, You can see it. It's very, very easy. So we are done. Good. Please don't forget, if you need any editing, do as well contact me. I'm ready to give you any kinds of editing. Okay, now let us bring down the brightness. Good. Okay, I think we'll save it. save it, done. Okay, as JPEG, you are done, good to go.